Hi guys, this is Irfan here from smartyincubator.com and welcome to another live trading session. In today's video, that you're watching right now, I'm gonna break down my live trading session, that what I exactly did, but I still highly recommend you to watch the next video that is going to play after this video to actually watch me live how I analyze the market and how I react to a certain candlestick pattern. But in this video, I want to show you what happened eventually, so you can have some idea that what's going to happen, and then after that you can watch the live trading. So when I woke up in the morning, the first thing I saw was this pattern here. So it's 6:30 in the morning my time, which is 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, and I noticed that we have a very strong high probability order block exactly right here because of this strong spike towards upside. And then after that, you know, I was expecting the price to tap into this zone, and then I take my long position depending on the momentum. So what I did was waiting for this price to tap into this zone, and then we had a break of a structure right here, and then this huge rejection kind of tempted me to get into a trade, but I always wait for the second candle to close above the previous candle, and then I take my long position. And this is exactly what happened. So you're gonna watch this, you're gonna watch that I took this trade in the next video, but I entered my trade somewhere around here and I put my stop loss exactly right here. So I wanted to close it exactly right here, but unfortunately I didn't, and I had to close it on break even, and then I re-entered my trade. So I want to show you what happened. So the price actually went up, and I wanted to close it probably yeah, somewhere close to that. Yeah, here, but my TP was here. So when because I was, you know, I was somewhere else, and then I wasn't on my computer, and then I noticed that this candle just formed, and I said, oh man, I had to close this because it wants to do a little bit of correction. I didn't want to get into the correction, and I didn't close it. So what I did was moving my stop loss to break even, and I actually got a stop down right here on break even. So I was waiting for more momentum because I knew that first of all the trend is bullish, the first momentum. The second momentum, we have a high probability order block. The third momentum, that we have a really obvious area like this high point here. There's so much liquidity around this area, and the price has to tap into this level unless it wants to change the direction of the market. We had a break of a structure here, and then everything changes. But so far we have three momentums that I could actually expect the price to go higher, like to go you know, to go for a long position. And then I just waited for more momentum, and then I noticed that we have this dodging candle here, and then this candle right here. So this candle means that we are going to change the direction of the market. So because we had huge respect towards upside correction, and this candle confirms the continuation of the price towards the upward trend. This is very important, and this is exactly what happened, guys. If I want to show you what happened, look at this bullish engulfing candle. So here, stop loss here, TP right here. It went up, came down, didn't stop me out, and then the price just blasted through my TP. And this is exactly how it went. Beautiful. Just three confirmations. I showed you, very simple. I didn't use any indicator, nothing. Pure price action. Trend of the market, done. And today was Friday. Everything went really well. I hope that you had a profitable trading day as well. And if you have any question, guys, drop your comment here, and I personally get back to you. So tell me that what your opinion on this strategy is. Do you like it? What strategy do you use? Do you use Fibonacci? Do you use, you know, order blocks? In this strategy, I purely use order blocks. I could use Fibonacci as well. So for example, for here, when I saw this momentum, I could have waited for, see, I could have waited for the pullback, and these two candles respected the 70% level. So not golden zone, 70% level got rejected. Even this one got rejected towards upside. So this is a really good momentum. So this is a double confirmation. Order block, Fibonacci, respected, you know, candle, everything is confirmed. And then you can literally take your buy position here. Boom, we are Gucci. And this is exactly what happened, guys. Grab the liquidity. We are trading to you know, towards the trend. Everything went really good. So Don't forget to watch the next video that is going to play after this video, guys. It's going to be a really good one, that how I entered my trade, and you're going to see the results of Gold EA Incubator after my live trading session, that how much profit it made in the last 24 hours, which was insane. It even traded on Friday, and we are up, guys. You can go check it out on my FX book if you want. I'm going to leave a link below this video in the description, and then you can go check it out yourself on my FX book, that how it's performing on a daily basis and how many trades it's taking. So in overall, we are over 8.63%, and we have our history here that you can go and check out, that how many trades it's taking. Everything is live. Go check it out yourself. If you want to grab your license, go check out smartincubator.com and send us an email. We'll manually activate your account. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Irfan here with smartincubator.com, and welcome to another live trading session. You know that we always start with a Forex factory calendar to see if we have any important news for today, which is February 12th. Okay, oh sorry, February 11th, and I'm a day ahead always. Okay, so today we don't have any news. Today is Friday, guys. Trading is optional, but it's just making sure that if there's anything here that we can, you know, kind of pay attention to. But so far so good. We can start with, like, you know, Forex pairs, GBPUSD, and then I can work my way down. I always analyze GBPUSD, EURUSD, NAS100, and gold. But gold, I mean, sometimes, not really. But this is something that I personally do. I start with EURUSD first. Let's do EURUSD. Look at this head and shoulder, guys. Today I woke up a little bit later. Like, yeah, something really interesting happened here. Let's just start with 15-minute time frame. So as you can see, let me just remove drawings. It's trying to create higher highs and higher lows. We have liquidity here. This liquidity is already grabbed, and that's why the price is going up, creating higher highs and higher lows. See, because it's trying to reach this area to fill in the gaps, because there's so many stop losses here for sellers, and it's kind of trying to go up. But right now it's doing a little bit of correction, and if I want to show you like how Fibonacci works, actually from here to here, but yep, I'm not too sure about this, because the thing is that we have a break of a structure right here. We have a break of a structure, and we don't have any high probability order block around this area that I can show you. I wanted to show you a high probability order block, but I'm gonna be kind of biased towards buying because of these, you know, because of the market structure, higher highs and higher lows. But we have this important, like, support level here. This resistance level, this support level is already broken into, which is now our resistance level. And in here, you should never buy, because you're going to be part of the liquidity. Okay, but if I was awake like a few minutes ago, I could see this pattern here, and I could take a sell position because of this beautiful bearish engulfing candle that literally happened after this doji candle. Like, nothing can be better. And also, let me show you. And yeah, we had a high probability order block here. The reason is that this candle is not tapped into this area, but this is invalid because it's actually wicked out. But anyways, you know, it was a good one. But I just want to see how far it's planning to go. We have another support level here. Okay, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait for it, and then I'm gonna wait for correction, and then after that I'm gonna use my Fibonacci level to see what I can do with it. Because if I go back to 15 minutes, you see that it went up, came down, and then it went up again. So the Fibonacci starts from here to here, but it's already blasted through this Fibonacci level. So that's what I'm saying. We have a break of a structure, so the Fibonacci starts from here to here. Okay, so we have our golden zone here. I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to set my alarm right here. So what it might do is that because this is a very obvious support level, and what people do is that they buy here. So they know that retail traders buy here and they want to close their position here. So since we had a breakout structure, there's a high chance, I'm not saying that it will happen, there's a high chance that the price tries to reach this level, give us this momentum, and then it drops again to stop out every single buyer around this area. And this is what I'm trying to do. I set my alarm here, I'm gonna go to GBPUSD, and then I wait for this price to see where it actually closes. GBPUSD, the same scenario, guys, not a big difference, but I want to show you if you have any high probability order block. Yeah, let me show you from here to here. It might be a high probability order block, this one, because of this huge gap and the price never came back to this level. So if I want to put my alarm here, it's gonna be a good one. Yeah, this is a clean one. In 50-minute time frame, the same thing happens from here to here, and then went up, and then Fibonacci level, and this is exactly where the order block is. So it might go from it might go to 50% or 60%. I'm just waiting for more momentum, but in my opinion, it's gonna go for this area here, in my opinion. And it's very obvious for GBPUSD. Look at this, guy. If you look left, you see there's so many gaps here, and that's why the price is trying to create higher highs and higher lows, just because to reach this level and liquidate all these sellers that actually took a position here. That's it. Very simple, very straightforward, and that's what the market is trying to do. So, and this huge spike is a very good indication that this is actually working, and this is a very good correction that is kind of normal. It's always normal to do a correction. So even if I was awake, I probably wouldn't take this trade because it's kind of opposite the trend, and I would just wait for, you know, correction like this, and then wait for this and see what happens. So we have a good resistance level here. See, this is a resistance level now from here to here. So what it might do is that it just goes to this level, go up, and then come down, might be, or just shoot up, just, you know, shoot up like up to here and grab all the liquidity. So we'll see. I'm going to wait for this level to see what happens, and then I come back soon because I want to go for NAS100 to see what NAS100 is doing. Okay, NAS100. Okay, NAS100 is a good one, but I'm just trying to find any high probability order block to see. See? Can you see this, guys? Gap. And this is indices, so indices are way better to buy. Breakout, correction, continuation. And now I'm just gonna wait for pullback, which is probably happening right now. Golden zone, and then I take my buy position. So I'm going to put my alarm, because I know that we actually broke above this previous resistance level, which is our support level now, and then we did a little bit of correction, tapped into this level, bullish engulfing candle, now we shot up. Okay, so we have a breakout structure here. So this breakout structure is a really good sign that we need to wait for a correction like this to our golden zone. Okay, and then we probably can take our position. So GBPUSD is already blasted through this order block, so I'm just gonna wait for momentum to see what it does. If it gives me a really good momentum and it actually respects this level, because look at this huge candle, guys, huge drop. Okay, so if I see a bullish engulfing candle somewhere around here, I'm going to take my buy position, because you got to pay attention to this area as well. It's a high probability order block here, but yeah, that's what I'm saying. If it tries to go towards this level, then everything is gonna change. My plan is gonna change. I'm going to, you know, draw my Fibonacci from here to here, wait for correction, and then I take the sell position. Even right now, If I want to do that, it's gonna be, let's say that the correction happens from here. So we have our golden zone here. So if I get a momentum here, I put my stop loss here and my TP here. It's a 1 to 2 trade. It's a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. I don't know what's gonna happen right now. I'm just saying that it might happen, and I'm going to get back to it very soon. I want to look at NAS100 to see where it's exactly doing the correction. I can't see anything on the left as a high probability order block, so I can actually target. I just can see this huge gap here, and yeah, we need to wait. We need to wait for it. Let's go to GBPUSD. Let's focus on one pair. It's way worth it. And also, let's see what we can do with it. Okay. Look at EURUSD, guys. Look at this. Wow, it's crazy. It's crazy. Wow. Okay. So apparently, as I said, I was kind of right that everybody's going to buy here and they get stopped out, but it never reached this level and then it stopped them out. It just straight stopped them out. Especially, you know, the same as here, the liquidity is already grabbed, so this area and this area is already gone. So what's left is here, 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 and also here. Okay, but I'm not sure that what's going to happen exactly, but what I can see is that it has to go up somewhere, and this is our golden zone here. I'm not sure about this support level because I'm not going to take my trade based on support and resistance because I don't want to be part of the liquidity. But let's see. I'm still waiting for GBPUSD. Yeah, GBPUSD, if it closes above this level, this candle, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it because it's actually respecting this order block, and we have actually time here. Yeah, because one mistake that I've seen people doing, including myself, I've done it, quite a few times, that when they see like a candle like this and they see that it's above this previous candle before it closed, they enter their position. But sometimes it's a trap, guys. It just goes up to make you buy and then it comes down. So you gotta wait for this candle to close above the previous candle, confirm it, and then you take your position. Okay, not right now. Like I did, I made the same mistake last night, and it was on Bitcoin, I think, and I got trapped because it was very, very tempting. Like, it was a very strong bullish yellow candle, and then before it closed, it just reversed. See, something like this is happening here. So we are not sure. You gotta wait for a good momentum for long position, especially after this huge drop, and then take your long position. Okay, I'm talking about the like buy momentum. But see, it turned green. So if I entered my trade here, who knows? Maybe it's just going down to stop out the buyers here, and then it goes back up because it's valid. If this order block is not broken. So I'm still gonna wait for it, and then I keep you posted. Okay, guys, I entered my trade here, and let's see what happens. As you can see, I entered it right here. I put my stop loss here, and I'm going to close it somewhere around the golden zone. But to be honest with you, I just want to wait for good momentum, and then I close it. I probably close it above this level, or I close it in the middle. I'm just gonna wait for momentum. Sometimes what happens is that it just blasts through this, and then I don't want to close it early. And I only took one trade, so I don't leave a runner. I just close it early because it's Friday. I just want to get out of the market early. If it actually does a good job and goes towards my direction, because the golden zone is obvious. The golden zone is here, okay, but where exactly it's gonna stop, we don't know. We'll see. But this is a very strong candle, and even the Fibonacci here, if it wants to do a correction, it might go from here to here. Okay, we have our golden zone here, so it might come back a little bit, tap into this level, and then go up. Or, yeah, see, so far so good. I mean, because it actually tapped the golden zone. This is 50%, this is 60%, got rejected towards the upside, and then my opinion is that it's just going towards this way. But I don't think that it's I don't know. We need to close it early, kinda, because this huge drop can be also a sign that it wants to reach this level because of this high probability order block. So I don't want to take a risk and then close it here. I could do that, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna close it way earlier here until I see a really good momentum that is actually reversing. See? So this is a good one if it works well. There's a correction. We are actually getting the correction, 780 pounds. But let's see. I wanted to close it here, to be honest with you. Who doesn't like to? But we want to be more conservative. And if I want to close it manually, I can close it manually here. Sometimes it just shoot up, so at least I can get more profit, but we still don't know. Okay, here we are. I'm going to actually close my trade here, GBPUSD. I'm not going to close it actually. I'm gonna wait because I'm pretty sure that it's gonna shoot up again. This is our golden zone, and we waited for so long, and then it finally went up. So this indicator here, I can actually close half of my position, and then I leave the half for here, or I can just move it to break even. But right now it's kind of too close to that, so I'm going to close it here. This is a correction, and then it probably goes up again. So this momentum here, if it closes below this level, I'm totally okay with that. I'm totally okay with stopping out, getting a stop out, because I'm going for a better momentum and then I go towards the direction of the market, where right now is good. So before that, let me just give you a quick update for Goldie Incubator, guys, for last night. So today is February 11th, and Goldie Incubator closed like 5 trades if I'm not wrong. As you can see, the date is here, the amount is here, and we are up $400 in the last 24 hours, and in total we are over $863 USD, so 8.63%. And if you want to verify the results yourself, feel free to do that. Go to, I'm going to leave a link below this video, so you can go to my FX book link and you can see all the results here on my FX book. So this account that I'm actually trading on is my FTM account. This is a separate account that I never touch, and it's just a robot, just let the robot to do everything for me. Since January 21st, you can go to history and you can see yourself how many trades it's taking on a daily basis. And if you would like to see similar results, go check out smartincubator.com and grab your license, and then after that send us an email. We'll manually activate your account. And for this trade, I keep you posted. It's break even right now, but even if it's like not profit, I'm totally okay with that. As I said, I'm going to re-enter it because I can see potential, so much potential in this trade that is going to kind of go up. And this candle is kind of nothing towards, like, against this candle that is a huge bullish engulfing candle after this consolidation here. So in both cases, what happened, I'm going to get it stopped out, or the profit is going to be right here. But I let you know, guys, like I keep you posted. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, drop your comment here, and you know where to find Goldie Incubator. So see you next time.